Welcome to our guide on taking care of formwork panels on construction sites. Proper maintenance is crucial for extending their lifespan, ensuring consistent performance and reducing costs. Let's explore the essential steps to keep your panels in top condition. First, understand the type of formwork panel you're using. MDO, HDO, and phenolic coated plywood each have unique care requirements. Always refer to the manufacturer's recommendations to ensure you're providing the best maintenance for your specific panel type. Handle your panels with care during transport and storage. Use lifting equipment or protective padding to prevent damage. Store them horizontally on a flat, dry surface, away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures to maintain their integrity. Before using your panels, inspect and prepare them properly. Check edges for damage and apply sealant to prevent water penetration. Use a release agent on the surface to facilitate easy demolding and reduce wear during concrete pouring. After each use, clean your panels thoroughly. Remove concrete residue with a plastic scraper or soft brush, avoiding metal tools. Wash with water and mild detergent if needed, and ensure they are completely dry before storing to prevent mold. Regularly inspect your panels for any signs of damage. Look for scratches, dents, or peeling overlays and address these issues promptly. Check edges for cracks and reseal as necessary to maintain the panel's effectiveness and structural integrity. Perform necessary repairs and maintenance to extend the lifespan of your panels. Patch small surface damages with recommended filler materials. Reapply release agents or protective coatings periodically to maintain surface quality and performance. Finally, train your team on proper handling, cleaning, and storage procedures. Emphasize the importance of following these guidelines to reduce wear and tear. Proper care of formwork panels ensures cost efficiency and quality in your construction projects.